Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. High five. Today I noticed a noise that it was coming louder and louder in my car, and Dulcinea, because that's her name, is Dulcinea. And nice mirror right here. And guys, I wanted to show you guys what could it be. Oh man, I was vacuuming this thing. Oh my goodness, good thing I got power seats. Okay, I got enough room to crank this. But I wanted to pay attention to that noise. It's like a whining noise like that. So when I turn the AC on, it goes away. I turn it off, it's there. So it's something related with the air compressor. So we're gonna fix that today. Hear it? I put grease because I thought it would go away because I thought it was I put this. It didn't go away. So listen to this. I don't know if you can hear. But I put the grease in there and it doesn't go away. So how we're gonna test? Look, now we're gonna turn the compressor on and you will see it goes away. Oh, I got him unplugged. But anyways, let me turn the car off. Let me turn it off. But the point is that I want you guys hear the noise. So you hear the noise and it comes from the compressor. I put grease in there so I thought it would go away. And now I'm gonna have to remove that intercooler pipe. So guys, let's hear the bearing. Remove the separating belt, and I remove my intercooler charge pipe or whatever. So for whoever that doesn't know how to remove the separating belt, there's a 60 millimeter 6-point nut right here, so you can use it, or use a 12-point wrench like I did. You just put a wrench in there, pull that thing up, and loose the belt. So here's the thing. I got that. You guys can hear a little bit the bearing. So I already go ahead and remove this right here. For me, it's easier. Maybe it's because I already put that grease in there or something, but the clutch came out pretty easy. So look, oops, sorry. It's definitely making noise. So it has a lock. I'm gonna see how hard it's gonna be. But it has a washer lock right here. Oh man, oh there you go. That was easy. So now we're gonna have to somehow pry the whole pulley out. If it comes out, will be so. Also, this is why the AC didn't come on, because I was testing this. Anyways, so I need 2 hands for this guy. So I'm gonna come back when I pull this whole thing apart. And also at the same time, right now I'm gonna show you. I have a spare air conditioner, and I thought it was good, and that's even worse. So I can't use that one. The clutch is too easy. I don't know. So we don't want that one. Anyways, so hold on a minute. I will see if I can pull that out, or maybe I can. Guys, I'm prying it from the back. I give it a little like hammer right here all the way around, like this. So I'm still prying this from the back, from the bolts, and I just go little by little. And it looks like it's coming out. Yeah, I can see the mark already past it there. Whew. Hopefully I don't damage that. Oh, there you go. It's out. It's out. Almost out. So check this out. Wow. It was kind of hard, huh? See, it's all dry. So now I need to like how? Keep prying. On which way? Maybe on this side. What do you think, guys? Good thing I got it like spare. Come on, come on, come on. You are not good anymore. Be careful, don't damage the coil on the clutch. It's almost out. Oh my goodness. Doesn't want to come out. Maybe I can hit him from the back. Like this, maybe? Kinda. And maybe pry on the top. Oh my goodness. There it is, guys. There's, check this out. Check that out. Look, let me spin this. I don't know if you, oh no, you can't really hear it here. But it's bad. You hear it. You guys hear it. So that's the no good one. I have one right here. This one, it's really quiet. So I'm just gonna clean down back there. Here, let me show you guys. I'm gonna clean right here. And wow, a magnet. I mean the coil, whatever. Doesn't look that bad. I'm just gonna clean all that grease that I put in there, but that's the replacement, guys. I took it's used, but for now it's gonna work. Guys, we were checking this, and this thing was making this noise. So we were investigating, and also right here it's got a little tiny bit, I don't know what it was rubbing right here. You don't hear it, but this was the one that was making noise. So also check this. This one is flat. This one is all like it wasn't touching all the way around. So that was that one, and this is kinda more tight. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in there. Make sure it's clean, no stones going on. So let's go up here and try to install it. Hopefully it goes in as easy. It doesn't want to go. Okay, there you go. Wow, you not even hear that bearing. So let's put the lock washer in there. The lock washer right here. Oh, come on, buddy. Can you guys see something? Let me see. Did I put it right? Oh man, it's out. Okay. It's all the way around. Still. I think it's in. Yep, it locks. Okay. So she going nowhere. Now, I like to put the one that came from this clutch. Oh wow, nice and easy. Now we're gonna need the 14, I think. 14 and the impact gun. Okay, so okay, there you go. Sorry about that. Very nice, very nice. I like what I'm seeing already. So always make sure that your belt did not come out of the tray. So pull this up, pull this down, and your belt is back into place. Let me see. I know I have the VRM crankshaft pulley. This is nice for better RPM. This is ALH, and I upgraded the what's it called, the harmonic. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put the pipe, the charge pipe, and we're gonna hear this engine right now running. Make sure you don't put no dirt inside the engine. This thing has a lock thing in there, so when you put them in there, make sure it locks. Okay, there you go. Oh, let me tighten this. Okay, that's done. Now we're gonna need a 10 millimeter to hold this. I had them somewhere. Well, here. I don't know where she went. I had 10 millimeters somewhere around there. I don't see it. Oh, there you go. I was sitting right on top. Okay, so this is gonna be the last one. So just put them in there like that. Make sure it's tight. Okay, now we're gonna test the noise on the bearing. So my son's gonna start the engine, and we're gonna hear it. So hopefully it's quiet now. Turn the AC on. Ooh, perfect. Turn it off. Perfect. All right, you can cut the engine off. So there you go, guys. It's how you guys can swap a clutch pulley on an ALH. This is the culprit, this bearing right here. So you guys might be able to order a new bearing. I cannot even, hold on guys. We're gonna zoom into this, because I'm gonna need that part number 2. Because guys, that's the only thing oh, Japan. I can see Japan somewhere in there. No. What's going on? iPhone, come on. I know you can do better than that. I don't know, for some reason it's not allowing me to do that. I don't know. There's plenty light. It changed automatically from one camera to the other. Guys, iPhone let me down right here. I don't know why. Anyways, I'm gonna post the part number for this bearing. But I don't know. At this point, since the clutch is not here anymore, you guys can see. I think this is toast. Cause right here in these groups right here, it's supposed to be the pads for the clutch, and there are nothing in there anymore. So I mean, we can order this bearing. It's a press in bearing, but I don't know. Maybe by the time that bearing goes out, I don't even got AC on this car. So guys, that is it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Like and subscribe. Share my content. And guys, if you want me to do more awesome stuff, subscribe to my channel and help me grow up and help me afford stuff. If you guys subscribe, I can buy stuff and do change on cars, so you know how to do it like that. If you guys subscribe, I can make some money and buy some parts, and post you guys how I do it. My son is cleaning my car right there. Look, making it shiny. But all right, guys, Taco Aval out.